Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your errors using Semrush. So if you're running an AI blog or if you're writing SEO blog articles, then you might be getting a lot of WordPress issues. So in order to know them, first you need to audit your site. The best way to audit your site using Semrush, so I simply enter the domain name. So let's just say I enter domain called cashforowner.com. And once I do that, it's just gonna ask me how many websites should I crawl and limit per audit. So I'm just gonna limit it to 10 pages and websites to crawl, website robots.txt, entire sitemap URL. I'm just gonna put it at the I'm just gonna put it the website and once. So let me just do this, click on start audit. Alright, now that you can see it has successfully crawled, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the domain. So we have opened up the site audit of the domain. Now it's just going to show us the errors, if there are any errors, and also we have got the warning signs and we have all the issues right here. Now in order to fix this, you want to go into the issues, or you can also check the statistics and compare crawl pages, and also you can look at the JS impact. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the issues and also check all the warnings and errors. Now as of now I didn't get any errors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the 4 pages have low text HTML, and if I click on it, why and how to fix it. This is just gonna entirely tell you about the issue in general and also how to fix it. Now if you take this and put it inside the AI and give it a prompt, this has a prompt, it's just gonna tell you exactly what you need to do if you don't know what to do in the backend. And sideways you can also read about the issue and read about how to do this. And also, you have 4 new issues. If I click on it, it's just going to give you in detail, exactly which page has an issue. So, alright, this is how you find errors using Semrush about your website.